I hope I hope I hope at the end of the day, like some of the things zenye tunadu sahi, they will make a lot of impact even beyond our existence, cause you know mm, mm, yeah. Yeah, sure. Hello. Hello.
Kwa vitu zetu tunajua like sijui itakuwa aje wanasemanga fake it until you make it, but mi siamini hiyo design
Me, Adi, I was talking to someone na namwambia, at the end of the day, we know like akina Kenyan Prince. I don't want to mention names, like, okay, but whatever. Like there are those guys who have shown it out there, like wanajua vitu na trade na whatever, but nawaaminia tu wao wafanye tu vitu zao, but for us manze, it has been a journey, years and years of building bana, like we have gotten broken na forex until like tukiwa saizi like crypto. I was like, wow bro, we are on another level. Like I didn't know like this would be the journey
bro, usikuwa unafungulia tu kila msee chat yako hivi akienda
bana.
nini ati anachiki like
Manze tulikuwa
kuna
tuna
vitu zetu tunafaa ku by now, like kuna vitu tunafaa
kuconceal
kuwa tunajua like hizi system nini
mm.
tunazitupa tu huko YouTube tu ati tu hivi nini,
Yeah
like
man,
tunafaa ku create some value like hii ni product tuko nayo yenye tunaweza monetize.
by
So
the
like kuna
mm.
samo zenye tunafungulia nini, tunafaa kufungulia tu wale yani
Mm. Like ni kama
wale
members
wasi
only or something, because by the way hata hapo hivyo YouTube hadi I wish I could be like I could have had this information before. Kumbe YouTube kuna place unaweza, you can post your video and then mtu mwenye atalipia will be a member and they are the only people who can watch that content, so you don't even have to search for them. And then now there is also the way you can also like just unajua marketing, kuna ile overview yenye unaweza sema hiyo ni for public. So there are those two sides that I didn't know, and then I was like, man, actually even such content hadi venye si tunaipiga, I don't have to like ati nikikuwa na wase wengi ndio nitaifanya, like upfront right now. Like you see right now we are talking about BTC. It's at 87 and we are seeing this signal inaenda chini. You see, that piece of information is very valuable.
kila mtu anajua, unafikiria kila mtu anajua BTC inaenda chini
Hakuna
akiangalia hiyo chat
bana, wanaona huko social media wanaambiwa sijui ati bitcoin sijui nini, alafu mtu anasikia bitcoin anaogopa, sijui anasikia crypto anaogopa, but then now real time when you pull up this data inakushow the best times to buy and the best times not to buy. Of course buy ni yako, like you are buying power ama you are buying like the place you are buying like matters a lot, so I was like, man, kama you can, okay, if you have this information where you can show real time, you can real analyze, like without even putting a lot of lines. At the sometimes I don't like putting so many lines, nile I usually pia napenda kutrack, pia ukitrack na maybe ku screenshot, sometimes hizo screenshots zinaweza kuwa mingi, but then zimenijazia hadi lapi jo. Like too many screenshots, but then either way I was saying, if you can pull this data and you can say, like you can pinpoint several places where you predicted the market na ikaenda maybe venye ulikuwa umepredict, ni sawa, but ni kama nilikuwa napeana example with this example here, like hii yellow line, this yellow line nilikuwa I think
alafu share.
Yeah. By the way, bro, let me nimeanza kurecord by the way like a minute ago, so I don't know, ni a minute ama ni 5 minutes ago, so I've captured some of the information that you have talked about. Intaiweka hadi members only, bro. Hello. Anyway, like what I was saying, it's this yellow line was showing the moment, like the analysis that I'd seen. I think it was around this time before it, after it broke out of here and then retested. So that sign itself, that pattern itself in a show, like price was to go down, and you see, like it has been this low, and yet bado ijafika this low. That's why ile time nilikuwa nakwambia, like I'd seen it might reach around $75,000. Yeah, so bado ijafika hapo. It's yet to maybe to bounce off this, maybe this support, and that's where we can now give a very like a very big a bullish signal.
Alafu share tena. Share and share your screen.
Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Is it up again?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, I think that was like the explanation of these lines, but my original point, like hapa hivi ni pale, like unapata umeongea ma spin-offs zingine mingi sana. Like you are saying a story and then you're gotten to another story, but either way, it's not cool maybe to like to put a lot of lines and then you have maybe things, some of those signals that are showing that price will go up or whatever. So yeah, that was my point actually. Like at the end of the day, when we'll see like a bounce at this point, at this 75, now that there and then we can wait to have a confirmation whether the price of Bitcoin will go up or whatever. But either way, Bitcoin is Bitcoin. You cannot control the market. But of course, these these patterns will always communicate. It's just like listening to what the world is telling you. Hey, price is, you can't predict price like and be so sure like 100%.
So unaona ni normal kuchora hizo ma line hii nini umetoka like ama ukumbuki there's a time ulikuwa una struggle kuchora trend line moja tu like trend line like ilikwenda kuchukua probably 5 minutes. Saizi unaicheki na macho.
Manze bro.
Skill bro.
This is
tunafaa ku appreciate some more. Tunafaa ku like like tunafaa ku create value na hii some more like hatufai kuipatiana tu hivi tu ufala.
Exactly. By the way, that is like 100%.
So like
these are
mi najua kichele ina come like dau itakam as long as to keep kuturn up like mi na hizi nini saizi like hizi kubuy bundles za anawa hivi by then ni fit una record like hii some share sometime
bana yeah sure.
Nini kukam like kubuy hizi hourly bundles tu ndo ni cheki market
bana.
it's something yani like
it's showing you like
ni sacrifice pia
and resilience, bro.
pia.
And I'll mention resilience because there was a time you had money, bro. Like there was a time like at the bundles ni nini jo. Okay, I am not saying like ati ni kama mtu umetoka
Ni
from
true, ni
grace
true,
ati
ni true.
from grace to grass. Nasi hivyo. Bado hey bro. Bana
Nini
si ni age.
like wacha ni show that the ni hiyo ni like what we did back then
Yeah.
inaitwa quantum looping.
Quantum looping, sure.
Like we moved
Mm.
like we moved from one timeline to
To
another.
another, sure, yeah. But then those are other topics that we are going to look into, because like literally
Yes, indeed.
all
Once
these
you're in
things are
crypto, once you're a trader, you're a quantum looper.
of
Like
course.
you're buying time.
And then
You're buying time. Like
price time, like there are some things that are very connected. Time is money. Ukisikia time is money, like that statement is very strong, because bana ukisikia hadi mtu anakuambia unaniharibia time jo, like nitatafuta time tuonane bro, nitatafuta time to do kitu fulani, like it means like that thing, it's worth a lot of a lot of money. And that's why I appreciate like price. The moment now we can be able to track price and maybe interpret what price is telling us, we can be able now to solve the problem of money in that statement of time is money. You see, like now that money, if you have now money, I am not going to say that you will have time for anything, but you'll have that freedom. You'll have that freedom of maybe unataka kwenda mahali fulani, so you can go wherever you want. Like freedom of transaction is freedom to all other freedoms. That is like basically what I'm saying. Man. And time is like an illusion, like because look at this. Who would have said like price would would like no one knew price would be bearish from 126 maybe to maybe 70, maybe even less even than even what I'm predicting, or whatever it is right now. Maybe even in assets like HEX, like who would have known like we would go a negative of 90 plus percent, almost nearing 100% discount, like drawdown. And then here we are, we are even like recording time and making history of we survived these moments. These were the worst moments of maybe of our time. Maybe we are not even feeling maybe way worse. It's not like we are so poor ama nini bana. Kama if we can sleep, you can wake up somewhere, you can eat food, you have the freedom to do whatever you can do. That is freedom, or that you are just okay. But we are so down. We are so down. But we are so down. Crypto is so down right now. But it is what it is.